Step 1. Draw the margin. Step 2. Make a moon. Step 3. Paint the place around the moon. Yellow next to the moon and light green next to the yellow, dark green next to it, and then blue. We will give each color a round shape to make a lovely night. We will paint in such a way that the light of the moon is well understood. This moonlight helps to show the way at night. Step 4. Rub the paint with tissue paper. Carefully rub each color with tissue paper, the color will look more beautiful after rubbing. This is exactly what the moon looks like in real life, after coloring the sky. Then rub color by tissue paper. Step 5. Make the birds. We'll paint 2 birds. The 2 birds will be sitting side by side. We will paint the 2 birds with the help of black color. We will paint the head and body of the bird in 2 black colors. 2 birds will be looking at the moon. Step 6. Paint the branches of the tree. We will paint the branches of the tree with the help of black color. There are 2 beautiful birds sitting on the branches of this tree. The 2 birds are sitting and talking nicely to each other. The 2 birds are sitting on the branches of this tree and enjoying the beautiful view of the moon. Step 7. Paint the bird 2 colors in the beak. We will paint the whole body hair of the 2 birds with black color. We will paint the beak black. The baby bird has food in its mother's mouth and is going to feed the baby. Because each bird feeds its young with its beak. Step 8. Paint flowers on the branches of the tree. Many flowers on the branches of the tree, each flower we will color white and pink. And countless stars in the sky will paint with white. We have the opportunity to see this beautiful view of the moon and the stars in front of these 2 birds. Step 9. Remove the masking tape. The blue color was separated and went out of the margin. We will fix the separated blue color by removing the masking tape. Look, children, we have drawn beautiful scenes of these two birds very easily and step by step.